She gave it to her.
We bought ice cream and got to take it out.
Dairy Queen gave us free ice cream for the dog. Look at her mouth.
Free? Yes, it was free dog treat. I want Jill to get one. She's making her brain freeze.
Juliet. Juliet. She don't even look at me. Juliet, is that good?
She likes ice cream.
Look how long that tongue can get.
Man. I bet when she gets to the bottom, she's going to stick her face in.
Juliet, come here, girl.
Can I see?
She is not looking at me. We better not let her eat all of that.
Okay. She's going to get a brain freeze.
Oh,
We'll let her
no.
eat the rest of it at home.
I don't know if dogs get brain freezes. See, she growls at me. Can I have some?
No, she's not growling. She dug a hole in the side. She likes an ice cream.
Hey.